Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD tutorial how to edit block. So as example I will insert block, you can use the tool palette, type tool palette and will be show for the tool palette dialog box. In it I will go into architectural tab and I will insert the example block. You can click this block and insert into your drawing area. Now, to edit this block, you can double click and will be show for edit block definition. Select the block option and then click OK. Now we go into block editor. To edit, you can add flag, you create a circle in this point, like this. After it, you can close the block editor and then will be show for the notification. You can save this block change or you can discard the change. Okay, that's it for a basic ZWCAD tutorial how to edit block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.